Now, let's go into variables. Treat variables as a container or storage. Okay, you can store anything as long as inside your laptop. Okay, anything inside a variable. You can store name, you can store age, you can store a gender, you can store true and false, you can store music, you can store image, you can store video, anything. You can even store CSV file, Excel spreadsheet, Word, PDF, images, anything. You can store inside a variable, but the only thing is you need to understand what is the data type of the variable. Then only you can store inside. Okay. Let me do a simple thing. Okay, I hope you can see this one. Okay, in variable, there are few data types which you can't run away from: string, integers, float, boolean, and all of this one. So I will go through some of the examples for, say, let's say name equal to Edmund he. Okay, this is how you create a variable in Python. Oh, by the way, this tool is Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook is a web-based applications where you can just use to code Python over here, and then I can just directly share this Python notebook to everyone. And now I created a name, and then I insert a string value into a name, and then this I want to create another welcome message. Welcome to Python. I want to print something out. When you learn or pick up any kind of programming language, the first thing is the fundamental. Second thing is you need to know how to print stuff, how to print variables. A lot of my students, they always don't understand what's going on in their code. And then I always tell them, print it out. So print step by step. So for example, I want to print name, and then I want to see print welcome message, and then I want to print out welcome message name. So what's going on over here is Edmund he. This is to print the value out from this variable, and then this print is to print out the value from this variable. And now what's going on over here is dot format, which is only applicable from a string value, which you can use it to replace the curly brackets with the value inside the variable. So we use a lot of this kind of templates to create personalized message to your users, customers. When you want to blast out any notifications, emails, most of the time, templates come inside here, and then you just replace the value. And then you can just do a lot of like email blastings, notifications. So this is variable.